BOOZHOO. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. We're a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Mukwa, bear. Mukwa. Mukwa Nindigenous cause. Mukwa is my name. And Mukwa Nindodeum. Mukwa is my clan. I come from the Bear Clan. We're the protectors of the Anishinaabe. We patrol the perimeter looking for danger. Mukwa is my first name. Danger is my middle name. Danger. And the Bear Clan, Mukwa Dodam, we're also kind of famous for being medicine aware. We know about the good berries you can eat in the forest. We know about the mushkiki, about the medicines. You know, a lot of my brothers and sisters in the Bear Clan, they become medicine people. We don't have a word for vaccination in Ojibwe, but you can do with that what you will. But, yeah. Mukwa Nindo Dam. Bear Clan. Bear. My clan is the Bear Clan. So what can I say about that? I don't know. I don't know. What a price to pay. Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby.
Mistakes, I know I've made a few, but I'm only human. You make mistakes too.
He's only human. You make mistakes too. You tell him, Paul.
Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. I'm just about it. Baby, baby. But I can't stop trying. I can't, baby. 'Cause I believe one day I'll hold you in, whisper I still love you until the day's here. All right, people. Now, no matter whether you're with other people or you're home alone, you're not really alone because all of us are in this together.
That's right, Paul.
And music can bring us that much closer together. And when we sing, we're definitely a group. So don't be shy. It's going to feel really good. Here's what we want you to do. We'll sing it for you. It goes like this. Ooh, la, 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 la.
Thank you, Paul. That was great. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO. And welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Huh, sweetie? You tell him, baby doll. Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO Winnie Mushain. Say hello, sweetheart. BOOZHOO Gakina Awia. Hello, everybody. How you doing? And the rock star cartoonist Michael Lyons. Ikadon BOOZHOO Niji. Say hello, buddy. Hey, everybody. How you doing? And happy 4th of July, Niji. Hey, you too. Happy 4th of July, sweetie. How do you say that in Ojibwe? Oh, I'm so glad you asked. Today's Ojibwe phrase of the day. Whoa, say, can you see? Or whatever. Did you want me to sing? No, it's cool. Well, there's the 4th of July, but how do you say happy? I thought I had Happy Independence Day. No, I didn't do it. Happy is Minawanagozi. Neo Abita Nipino Jesus. Neo, 4th. Abiti Nipino. It is the halfway through the summer moon. Jesus, moon. The midsummer moon. That's what we call July. So July 4th would be the Neo Abiti. Listen to me, sweetie. Abita Nibino Jesus. Happy 4th of July. Oh, are you feeling independent, sweetie? I'm feeling so patriotic. You have no idea. Really? No, not really. For the land of the free. Land of the free, sweetie. And the home of the brave. Land of the free, home of the brave. Land of the free. When you become independent of something, that's what I thought the closest Ojibwe word to the independence I could think of would be Wikwajitun. Wikwajitun. Wikwajitun, to be free of something. Wikwajitun. Independence. And then you get your day, your Gijagad. So happy Independence Day would be Minawanagozi, Wakwijatun, Gijagad. Minawanagozi, Wakwijatun, Gijagad. Happy Independence. Happy Independence Day, everybody! Yep, happy Independence Day. So today, sweetie, I think I would like to tell the story of the first Independence Day. The first Independence Day ever, anywhere, ever? No, the first, America. Back in the days of the grandfathers, what was that, 1776? 1776. In 1776, Columbus sailed the ocean blue. No, that was 1492. Oh, right. What happened in 1776? That was Independence Day. That was the Declaration of Independence. Oh, right. That Declaration of Independence. So, back in the days of the grandfathers. Kids, listen up. This is really important. This is history. You might be asking yourselves, well, what's the big deal with 4th of July? How come everyone goes so crazy? There's a couple of reasons. Number one, people are sheep. What? Yeah. People are sheep. They're brainwashed. The government said, oh, okay, today's our sanctioned day for picnics, and we're going to just round up all the sheep to come down to the waterfront. We'll blow off some sparkly lights and loud noises, and everyone can ooh and ah. And that'll be, oh, yeah, okay. That's why everyone's carrying on today. It has nothing to do with history. But whatever. Yeah, okay. Am I being too negative? No, a little aggressive.
A little aggressive. I can't get into the 4th of July stuff. I know. But back in the days of the grandfathers, let's see, it was, what's his face? Yep, there was what's his face from the $20 bill. Yeah. Hey, did I pull that picture up? No, I don't think I did. Jefferson. Okay, there was George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Teddy Roosevelt, and Abe Lincoln. All got together and said, hey, you know what, you guys? I, for one, am pretty sick of being an Englishman. Let's be independent. And so they said, okay, let's, well, first of all, we gotta do some terrorism. So they raided a ship, and they took all the tea. But first, they dressed up like Indians. And then those Indians, you know, Thomas Jefferson and Abe Lincoln and them, they, you know, put feathers in their hair, war paint. I don't know what they did. Softball jacket. Wanted the cops to, you know, they were going to frame Indians. Bunch of racists. You know. And so they climb aboard this boat. And they go, let's pour out all this tea. And we'll turn the whole harbor into one big cup of muddy, lukewarm, cold tea, I guess. And they go, no taxation without representation. Take that, Queen of England. And it made the Queen so mad. She was like, oh, how dare they? We're gonna, shoot you in the head or something. So they came over, and there was a big war. And George Washington stood on a boat and went across the Potomac River with nothing but a AK-47. Are you sure about this? Not 100%, but this is my understanding. And he just started mowing down the Queen and her men, you know, and killed them all. And as he stood over the corpses and the dead Englishmen who didn't want to give him his independence, he said, we will fight no more forever. This land is our land. This land is your land. From the coasts of Ireland to the Broadway, this land was made for you and me. That's what he said. Yeah. And then they said, hey, let's not fight anymore. Instead, go on, you guys. You can have this whole country. And the Indians were like, pardon me? What do you mean? And then everyone got sat down and they had hot dogs and beans. And somebody blew off some fireworks from China. And they said, this will be the day we recognize the independence of America. And to learn more about Independence Day. Oh, I also forgot this one part. What's that? In the midst of it all, a great monster showed up. It was a giant, transgendered, weird green golem or some sort. And they called them the Statue of Liberty. And this is why we celebrate the 4th of July today, kids. It is the day that 4 men fought off all of England and all the king's men and all the queen's men. They couldn't put Humpty Dumpty back together again. And they killed the giant sun transgender Statue of Liberty. Lady Liberty, they went on to call her that. You know what's weird about the Statue of Liberty? Everything. Yeah. But that's the one statue. It doesn't have a name. Don't they call it Lady Liberty? Or the Statue of Liberty? No, it was just a gift, apparently, from France or something. I don't know. I know, that story's so stupid. Nobody knows the real story of how the Statue of Liberty got put there. I mean, they've come out with stories where they say, oh yeah, France, sent a giant satanic transgendered statue of the transgendered Colossus of Rhodes. But then they also later said, well, yeah, it was a gift, but then they also taxed American people to pay for said gift with the cryptic, bring me your huddled masses of losers. We don't have enough losers in our country yet. Bring them in huddled masses of non-employable children and elders. I don't know. Yeah, happy freaking 4th of July. Are you crabby, sweetie? Yeah, I think so. Why are you crabby? I didn't realize it until I started talking. Well, maybe it's because you haven't said good morning to the crew. Yeah, let's see who's here. Maybe that'll cheer me up. Heavy Flow's here. Well, BOOZHOO Heavy Flow. How about we get a gold star for Heavy Flow? How about we get white star for Heavy Flow? Why a white star? Because it's like the American flag. I don't have any white stars. You're a racist. How does that make me a racist? You can be racist against white people too. Don't listen to that stuff. You don't think white is good enough for your stars. Oh no, you're a gold supremacist, Natasha. I never thought I'd live to see the day. I gotta give her a gold star. Okay, gold star for Heavy Flow. BOOZHOO Heavy Flow. Mino Giga Shave Heavy Flow. Hey, we Sani's here, sweetie. We Sanin. Oh my stars. Oh my stars. Oh my silver stars. Put a silver star. Hey, we Sani. BOOZHOO, we Sani got a silver star for being second. And coming in third, Millie June Thomas. Millie June Thomas with the bronze star. And no data. Oh, we're back on. Oh, sorry. We got to shut off and turn on the router again. Yeah, I've noticed that. Things are working kind of slow here. Yeah. Half the time the TV doesn't want to work. Sorry, I think we just dropped out for a second, but thanks just for hanging in there with us. Oh, Dr. Evils is here. BOOZHOO, Dr. Evils. Mino Giga Jeb, says Dr. Evils with some coffee. And Diane. BOOZHOO, Diane. Hello, Diane. Welcome to the show. Little ditty about Dr. Evils and Diane. 2 American kids growing up in the heartland. And Wikwajitun. Independence. Wikwajitun. Get free of something. Sometimes you just got to get free. You got to wash that man out of your hair, sweetie. Really? Yep. Do your girlfriends tell you you got to dump me, wash that man right out of your hair? I don't have any girlfriends. You don't have any girlfriends? No, remember, you won't let me. Oh, that's right. No, you just got me and Michael here. And the BOOZHOO crew. Oh, yeah, and the BOOZHOO crew. Wikwajitun Gija Good. And I don't tell Natasha she can't have girlfriends. You just can't have any boyfriends. But you know, today, sweetie, lest we forget, is Ishkwa Anima E Gija Good. It is after prayer day, Monday, and it's the 4th of July. So, I don't know how you feel about this. Yeah. But I'm kind of feeling like actively not engaging in any of the stupid festivities. You don't want to go downtown and watch the parade? Nope. Don't you want to go to the carnival and get some, what you call it? Cotton candy? Get some cotton candy and ride the Ferris wheel? So romantic. That is romantic. In kind of a white trashy trailer trash way. Yeah. Is there anything more romantic when you're working class rural American than going out to a carnival at night in the summer? Yeah. You know, you're out there with your best girl. You drove your pickup out there. Your buddies are already drunk from the inner tube ride they took earlier that day down the river. But you're all together at the county fair carnival thingy. And don't get it wrong. Just because it's all of us poor people out there with our kids and the bumper cars and the crappy, whatever. It's not cheap. I know the people who watch BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, they're kind of classy. They don't go to county fairs and that. So they just drive by and they go, wow, look at all those poor people. It must be really cheap to go to the county fair. No, it's actually really expensive. You end up spending like $50 an hour to throw darts at a balloon. But it's so romantic. But it is romantic. It's all lit up. It's night out. It's, I miss the old Van Halen summers of the 1980s. Yeah. That's what I remember about 4th of July. When I was a kid, sweetie, 4th of July was just an all-day celebration, but not because we cared about Independence Day necessarily. But it was just a day where it was an excuse to get together with your buddies, your best girl, be around campfires, carnivals. You don't really care about the fireworks. You want to sit on a blanket on the grass. Have an excuse to do that with a whole bunch of your friends, It's really my favorite holiday. Well, what is it? Do you hate 4th of July or love it? I can't decide. I'm all over the place this morning. My emotions are like a roller coaster. I'm like a county fair. Ishkwa, anime e, gisha good. After prayer day, Monday. But now that I'm old and crotchety and I don't know, I don't even like the symbolism of 4th of July. Like the fireworks? I hate fireworks. Okay, I'm going to tell the story. About the cat? Yeah. I don't like to tell this story much. The BOOZHOO crew doesn't know this. This is a very sad story from 4th of July's past. We actually had a cat between Princess and Bagheera. If you're new to the show, the BOOZHOO crew already knows. We had a cat named Princess, a beautiful little white cat who we loved, and she started her journey 4 years ago. And it was really hard on us. And now we currently have a big fat black cat named Bagheera, who is just, he's great. But before we got Bagheera, we had a cat for about a month, maybe 2 months. I went to the same place we got Bagheera, and I got a cat, and I named him after my grandfather, Aubrey. And he was a really old cat, and he was really skinny, and I didn't realize it, but he was really sick. And for a month or 6 weeks or 2 months, or I don't know, I was back and forth from the vet, and I couldn't get him to swallow the medicines. He wouldn't take his medicines and stuff. He kept getting sicker and weaker. And finally put him to sleep. And but as he was dying in our home, it was the 4th of July. He couldn't move around real great. He was just lying there, And the fireworks are going off. I hope this doesn't make me cry. And I didn't realize it. I never knew this. I learned something that 4th of July. When cats are scared or sad, they cry real tears. I had no idea. I'd never seen a cat cry anywhere in my life. Not in a movie, not in my personal life. But that 4th of July, as all the fireworks are going off, and the cat's lying on the table by the window, and I'm petting him, trying to say, it's okay, it's okay. It's going to be over soon. You could tell he was all scared and stuff, and these big old tears just started running down his face. It was the most pitiful thing I'd ever seen in my life. Is a crying, dying cat. I can't stand that story. Yeah. Ugh. And that day I was like, I just wanted to stick my head out the window and yell at the world, would you cut it out? You're scaring the cats with your stupid blowing stuff up in the air. Why? Why are you blowing up fireworks? Are you that simple, Americans? Oh, look. It go boom. And sparkly light. Something sparkly and shiny and loud. Oh, what a day, you idiots. Yeah. Don't call the BOOZHOO crew idiots. Well, not these guys. There's probably some people who really enjoy fireworks. Well, they shouldn't. It scared my cat. So now I hate fireworks. I've never liked them though. That was so stupid. What are you doing? Play acting war? And the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air. Yeah, here's a historical fact. The bombs didn't really burst in air. They burst on the children on the ground as those brave war vets cowardly flew over Germany and firebombed innocent people for their politics. Yeah. God bless America, land that I love. Stand beside her and guide her. La-di-da-dee-dee-dum, dee-dee-dum. I don't know. And yet, let me yo-yo the other way. Sure, I hate America, but I still think it's the best country in the world. I just hate every other country more. Yeah. I don't know, sweetie. You want to take a phone call? Yeah, sure, I'll take a call. The more I think about it, the crabbier I get. Caller, line 2? Yep, line 2. Hello, caller. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. And happy 4th of July. Menawana Gozi, Neo, Abita, Nabino, Jesus. Hello, love. Hey, is this the Queen of England? Oh, that's right. It's the Queen Mum, it is. Oh, hey, welcome to the show, Queen of England. Sweetie, it's the Queen of England. Well, hello, Queen. Hello, love. Say, Nanaboozhoo, wanted to call in. I was watching your program. You were watching the show? Oh, it's a lovely show. I wanted to learn how to say Happy 4th of July in Ojibwe, so I could wish you all a happy 4th of July, as it were. Well, sure. I can teach you how to say Happy 4th of July. Except I forgot to write the word for happy. So, happy, we say, Menawana Gozi is to be happy. Menawana Gozi? That's right. Menawana Gozi, be happy. That's right. And then we say Neo for 4th. Neo 4th. That's right. Abita Nibino Jesus is halfway through the summer moon, which is the Ojibwe way of referring to this time of year, or July. Abita Nibino Jesus. Well, let me see if I have this right, love. All right. Menawana Gozi, Neo, Abita Nibino Jesus. That's perfect. Happy 4th of July. Yeah, thank you very much. Miigwech. That's our word for it. Thank you. Oh, Miigwech, is it? That's right. So what else is going on in your world? You having a a lovely 4th of July celebration? Oh, no, love. We don't celebrate the 4th of July here in Britain, then. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I don't suppose you do. No, this is another Monday for us. You know, this is America's independence from its Queen Mum. You know, nobody wants a Queen Mum anymore. Wow. You know, I never thought about it from your point of view. You know, I just wanted to love me children. I did the best I could. And maybe I wasn't a perfect mother. No! Well, who is? Well, I don't know. Probably nobody. But I didn't mean they had to run away and leave their mum. Why did my children want to start another country? Well, I know you're old, but I don't think even you were queen when it all went down. Oh, I was just a lass. I was a young girl, I was. In 1776, you were alive? Oh, that's right. I was 10 years old, I believe. Wow, you're older than I... Did you know that, sweetie? Yeah, remember, she's undead. She drinks the blood of children. Oh, I keep forgetting. Yeah, you're a vampire. Oh, that's right, love. Yeah. So, what else is going on? Oh, you know, I just shuffle around the old castle, I do. A castle? You live in a castle? Well, of course, I'm the Queen of England. Where do you think I live? In an apartment? You think I live in an old folks' home? No, I guess I didn't realize it was a castle. That's right, I live in a castle with a king. I just got a moat, and I have my what you call it? The pawns and rook and the knights. That's chess. I think the queen's a little confused. I don't know. I just don't know anymore. Yeah. Say, listen, Queen, I gotta get going. I gotta do a show here. All right, then. How does one say goodbye, love? In Ojibwe. Well, we don't really say goodbye. We say, I will see you again. Giga min, Minawa. Oh, Giga min, Minawa, love. Yeah, you do, Queen. The Queen of England, sweetie. Wow. It's cool she called all the way from England. Yeah, you know. I mean, it's got to be a hard day for the Queen. You know, to be constantly reminded how she was stabbed in the back and betrayed by the founding fathers. Yeah. Nobody likes to talk about it, but like George Washington must have had an English accent. Yeah, I suppose they all had English accents, huh? Yeah, I mean, they weren't Americans. Everybody likes to think Thomas Jefferson spoke with like a Midwestern drawl. Oh, geez, yeah, you sure? Yeah, sure, you betcha. I'm going to write up the Declaration of Independence. Yeah. Yeah, that's a really good deal. That's my impersonation of Midwestern white people. Yeah, I sure, you betcha. That's some good deal you got there. Yeah, sure, Queen. You can. We're gonna start our own country now. What? Okay, baby doll. Yeah, I think I'm just a little crabby. You shouldn't be crabby. I wanted to do a show last night just to complain about people. Yeah. Yeah. But it's too crabby to do a show. I kind of hate July. How can you hate July? It's the most beautiful month of the year. Yeah, I know. But July reminds me of all the people I've lost. And as you guys get older, your kids probably won't know this, but sometimes certain times of the year, this is why I'm crabby. I'm just realizing. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Sometimes certain times of the year will remind you of people have passed away. Started their journey to the other side, you know. And you don't know why. You know, in Marvel movies, nobody dies on a sunny day. They all die in the rain. Yeah. Every funeral, too. Everybody has black umbrellas. Yeah. None of my funerals and memories of death take place in bad days. It's always the most beautiful day. You know, sunny, blue sky, the middle of summer, midsummer's moon, you know. So sometimes the 4th of July or early July just bums me out. It's so weird, you guys. You know, I sit and I cry around about the winter all winter long. Yeah. Do nothing but complain. Oh, it's so cold today. Haven't seen the sun in weeks. And yet, it's the sunny days that bum me out. Sunny days on the 4th of July always get me down. Yeah. Rainy days and Mondays, love rainy Mondays. It's the nice holidays where you're not working and everybody having fun. That really annoys me. I can't stand to see people having a good time. But so I was feeling very antisocial, very crabby and cynical about stuff. And then people want to invite you to things. Hey, want to go do this thing? We're going to get in a car and drive for hours to go sit by a lake. Why? Oh, it'll be good. It's the 4th of July, you know. You got to get together and go through a whole bunch of hassle, spend a bunch of money, go do a bunch of stuff. Because what? The government said today's the day for us to do this? We could do this any day of the year. This is the one day I don't want to do it because the government's like, yep, okay, everybody, stop working. Now, commence with getting drunk, eating hot dogs. It's the same problem with Christmas. You can't get in the Christmas spirit either? No. I've never had a good time at any kind of preordained fun activity. Like the 4th of July, New Year's Eve parties. I hate them. Really? Yeah, I've never been to a single New Year's Eve party that wasn't a dreadful, sad bore. And I've been in rock bands that played New Year's Eve gigs. Well, is that really true? No. Even as I said it, I went, what am I, crazy? October played in a bar on New Year's Eve in 1999-2000. That was the greatest party of my life. So I have had some fun in times when other people have had fun. But a lot of times when I'm crabby and don't feel like celebrating, people who are just getting with it, hey, let's go do this thing. Everybody's doing it. I'm just like, ugh. Go ahead. Off you go. I don't know. Maybe you should play a song. Maybe I should play a song. Get off the live stream before I get any more aggressive and negative. Nobody wants to see that. I think they do. Here's a song, and then we'll turn the camera over to the lovely and talented. Here's a song that we recorded. I'm not even on this song. It's you and Michael, isn't it? I think so. Rockstar cartoonist here. And my girlfriend like to make beautiful music together. And I'm just supposed to sit in a corner and not burn with jealousy. Shut up. This is the last dance with Mary Jane. It's probably about giving up pot. But whatever. Miigwech Bizendawieg. Thank you for listening. Take 2. She grew up in an Indiana town, had a good-looking mama who never was around. But she grew up tall and she grew up right, with some Indiana boys on an Indiana night. Waita, waita, hey, And she came here at the age of 18, blew the boys away, it was more than they'd seen. We were introduced and we both started grooving. She said, I dig you, baby, but I gotta keep moving on. I got a mahjong. Last dance with Mary Jane, one more time to kill the pain. And I feel summer creeping in, and I'm tired of this town again. Well, I don't know what I've been told. You never slow down, you never grow old. I'm tired of screwing up, I'm tired of going down. I'm tired of myself and I'm tired of this town. Whoa, my, whoa, hell yes. You gotta put on that jingle dress. Buy me a drink, sing me a song. Take me as I am, 'cause I can't stay long. Last dance with Mary Jane, one more time to kill the pain. And I feel summer creeping in, and I'm tired of this town again. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons. BOOZHOO! How you doing, Natasha? Yeah. 4th of July. And I ain't gonna lie. I have a lot of 4th of July memories. Lots of good memories. And some bad memories. Can you choose which memories you're gonna focus on? Or do your memories choose you? Do you have your feelings are because, do you start to feel sad because of the memories? Or do your feelings come in, sad feelings, and then it stirs up your memories? Why am I so sad? Oh, that's right. Now I remember. That's what it's been like these last couple days. Oh, that's right. I had forgotten why I'm so miserable on beautiful July days. Anyway. Monday. La 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 dee dee dum. Hey guys! BOOZHOO, B'nai Shayag. Hello, birds. You don't say. No, I won't tell anybody. Oh, how could you possibly know that? Oh, yeah, I suppose, huh? Can I show him a picture of the flat Earth? Yeah, okay. The birds are telling me that, not only did NASA fake the moon landing, the reason they faked it was that they didn't want people to know the Earth is flat. Yeah. And the bird said if you fly up high enough, they go, yeah, the curvature never curves. And the sun is just, where it seems. Which I already knew. But these birds. Do people call you a conspiracy theorist? Oh, yeah, I know. They don't like to talk to me either. No. I'm going to say a prayer. I'm going to say an Anima A. Get your money do. Great Spirit. Otapana niwi asema. Accept my tobacco. Get your money do. Tekawi dukawishan. Minaway noongum. Please help me to speak well today. Mikwech ka ishi kakida gegu ka ishi chikea noongum. Thank you for everything that you do today. Mikwech bamadas ka ishi bamadazian. Thank you for this life. And thank you for America. And the man who gave their lives to give that right to me. How does that song go? And I'm proud to be Native American, where at least I know I've got walk week wajatoon, where at least I know I'm free, and I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no love, I love this land. Yeah, it's easy to say you love America, but do you love Americans? Do you love the young Americans? Are you proud to be an American? Sit on your hands of the bus of survivors, laughing at all the apple sheelers. Ain't that close to love? It ain't that far to go. For hearts been broken just like you, and all night, I was a young American. Young American, young American. I want the young American. Anyway, what was I doing? Get your money do. Thank you for my life. Thank you for making things better than they've ever been before. That's the truth. I'm not saying I'm the happiest I've ever been. Probably am, actually. So there's that. But thanks for, getting us through the hard times. Showing us the funny part of all the tragedies. Mikwech, kaiji kake, niwi kashkenda moen. Thank you for healing my grief. I'm not saying I never get sad anymore or anything, but thanks for getting me here where I can talk about it. There's a time I couldn't talk about it. I can. Miigwech. And, miigwech bizandawayeg. Thank you for listening. Abe Amen. Abe Inge. Amen. Amen. If you read it, it looks like ape, gi or something, or ape ingi, but APE is up, inge. Amen. You can also say miuminik, that's enough. Most of the time when I've seen old Indian elders pray in Ojibwe, they don't say amen, they say miuminik. That's enough. Gigawabamin, I'll see ya. Gigawabamin, get your Mountain Dew. I'll see you, Great Spirit. Catch you on the flippity flop. Get you on the flip side. And every time I try to tell you, the words just came out wrong. So I have to say, Gizagain in a song. Gizagain. So I have to say, Gizagain in a song. This is from Michael's book. Well, it's actually from OJIBERISH. A collection of Ojibwe language cartoons like this. But it's actually from the book. And there's a copy of this book in OJIBERISH too. Of Little Cutie, which we used to have a cover of somewhere. But I think I probably replaced it with a picture of the Statue of Liberty. I don't know. Oh, here it is. Little Cutie. Little Cutie goes out on a vision quest because he thinks Aubrey has outgrown him. He overhears the adults saying, "Hasn't Aubrey gotten a little old for stuffed animals?" He goes on this big adventure. But in the end, she finds him out in the woods. Gizakain, I love you. Gizakain. Love, only love can make it rain like the sweat of lovers laying in the field. Only love can bring the rain that falls like tears. I can't sing that high. That falls like tears from all high. Love, rain on me, rain on me, rain on me. On a dry and dusty road. What am I doing? And you are watching a mad woman singing old Who songs in front of a waterfall. Why? I don't know. You're the one who tuned in. Don't look at me. I should go back. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO. Well, hello, sweetie. Hey there, baby doll. You ready to come home? Yeah. I just started singing random songs. Okay. Hang on, I'm going to scan for your coordinates. I'm sorry, were you going to scan or squan? Yeah, that's what I said. What I meant to say, scan. Oh, okay, because it sounded like you were saying squan. But that doesn't make any sense. Nah. Okay, hang on. Got you locked in. All right. And that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. Nah. Hey, can we figure out a way on green screen technology? Maybe I should ask you, Michael. What's that? Where we can make it look like I'm coming out of a genie's bottle. Oh, and like a big puff of smoke? Yeah. There's probably a way to figure out. Let me research it a little bit. Okay, I think that'd be funny. Anyway, what do you think, baby doll? Oh, I don't know. What'd you talk about?
Nothing. I'm in a weird mood now, too.
Are you crabby like me?
Not like you, but I don't know. I think I need... You know what else it is?
What's that?
I'm hungry, and I think I'm a little malnourished.
Malnourished.
Yeah, all I ate yesterday was that cold pizza. And a donut. All I ate yesterday was cold pizza, donuts, and that peanut butter sandwich. So yeah, I got calories, but now I'm hungry and I don't think I have any vitamins. My hair is going to fall out of my head.
Well, let's go get some breakfast.
Can we go to Country Kitchen?
You bet. Let's go to Country Kitchen and we'll go shop at Walmart and get a bunch of groceries.
All right. Do we have to do laundry today?
Absolutely not.
Okay.
Laundromats are probably closed for the holiday.
Oh, okay. Should we go for a bike ride?
Let's talk about it.
Do you want to go for a walk?
We can walk.
All right. Just planning out my busy day. But yeah, I'm in a weird mood too. What did we learn today on this Ishkwa Anama Good after prayer day?
I learned that Monday is after prayer day in Ojibwe.
You already knew that, silly.
Well, yeah.
We also learned that Neo Apita Nepino Jesus is the 4th of July. The 4th of July, July 4th. How about that old Born on the 4th of July movie with Tom Cruise?
The Tom Cruise? Yeah, I remember I went to the movie and I remember almost nothing about it. Did he end up in a wheelchair or something?
Yeah, it's a true story about a Vietnam vet who became wheelchair bound.
Yeah, I don't remember it very well.
I just remember Tom Cruise grabbing his apparently he lost his plumbing in the war. As he holds up a tube that he pees out of, goes, "Who's gonna love me now, Mom? Who's gonna love me? I gotta pee out of this tube." And I was like, well, I don't know, somebody who's into that, I guess.
Yeah.
Neo Apita Nipino Jesus, 4th of July. Get out there and blow up some fingers with firecrackers. Week Wajitun, get free of something. Independence. I could have done a whole show on how to break up with somebody. Today should have been about breaking up instead of the Independence Day.
Yeah, no kidding.
Because Michael, you got a bunch of songs about breaking up too. We should have taught the word for independence and then did a talk on how to become independent.
Yeah. Well, maybe tomorrow.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow. And Geisha good. But in any blah blah blah. In any case, I want to wish everybody a Minawana Gozi, Wikwachitun, Geisha good. Happy Independence Day. Hope you're feeling free and brave, because that's where you live. The home of the free. Say anything you like. You know, they faked the moon landing. Space is fake. Scientists are liars. Michelle Obama is a man. They killed, what was her name? Joan Rivers?
Yep.
They killed Joan Rivers for saying that Michelle Obama was a transgender. So why did I just say it? No, now we're going to be wanted.
Yeah, no kidding.
But we're in the land of the free. You can say whatever you want. Free speech. Free speech. And the home of the brave. You don't have to be afraid. You can be brave. I don't know. If you'd like to support the show, and I have no idea why you'd like to, beats me, but we do appreciate it. We do accept super chats during the live stream. Click the links in the description if you'd like to sign up on Patreon or PayPal. You can leave us a tip, buy us a cup of coffee. And we also have a GoFundMe campaign Gonna raise 8,000 big ones. 8,000 greenbacks. And you can order Ojibwe language books by Michael Lyons at Amazon.com. And that's all I know about that.
And I think that's plenty.
Okay. Did you want to add anything before I sign out? No, that's great. All right. How about you, old man?
Quit calling me old man.
Well, quit growing gray whiskers and then we can talk. Nah. You want to add anything before I land the plane?
No, that's great. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. And BOOZHOO crew, can't tell you how much I appreciate you stopping by this morning. Thank you for listening. Miigwech bizandawiyeg. Dush. Miigwech ganawabiyeg. And thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This over here.
This over here.
This tall drink of water. This tall drink of lemon tea. Is NANABOOZHOO. Ikadon BOOZHOO, DG.
Thanks everybody for watching the show.
Or yeah, Ikadon Miigwech, I should say thank you. And of course, rockstar cartoonist Michael Lyons.
Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow.
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Hawa. Sweetie pie?
One to teleport.
Make it so, number one. Isn't it working?
I got it.
Remember you gotta wiggle the thingy?
Yep. Wiggle the thingy. Push
the button first.
Push the button first.
Wiggle the wire, but keep your finger on the button.
Push the button first. Keep the finger on and wiggle the. Oh, here we go.